Okay, so today I have my cousin Paul helping me out today, and we're gonna try to get this thing finished up. Okay, so we got a lot of work done. The reservoir is filled up with the rock, and then right now we've got this concrete just to use as a filler because it's really cheap, and we need to bring up the level more. And then also we're rerouting the pipes on the outside of the river, but still in the liner in case there's leaks. We need another rock. What about this one right there? That's gonna be heavy though.
You're not gonna go pick that one up?
I ain't got the muscles.
You ain't got the muscles? You gonna make me do all the heavy lifting?
I'm making you do the heavy lifting. Yeah.
Like right there?
Yep.
And then bed that all in with
smaller rock. Yep.
Yeah, something like that.
Uh-huh.
And then what? Then we got the wash. We'll move this one.
Yep. To there. Then, oh yeah.
And then kind of like it'll kind of wash down.
And then hit that and go back in.
And then if we put flagstone there,
as another shelf.
That'll create a shelf to cover up the piping.
The piping, and it'll.
And it'll flow right in.
Yep.
There you go, big guy.
Awesome.
So what do you got? You got a sump pump down in there?
Mm-hmm. So this works. The gravel. So there's water all underneath here.
There's no standing water at all.
There's
no
no
like a pond or anything like that?
It's no pond. It's the water is only stored like in the gravel underground.
Okay.
So, and then we have this 18-inch culvert, and then the inner diameter of those coils that you guys saw.
The blue ones.
The blue ones.
Okay.
Is 18 inches. So this culvert fit perfectly snug right inside the coils.
Kind of like a donut.
Like exactly like a donut.
Okay.
And then in the bottom of these culverts, there's holes drilled, so the water can get into the culvert, so the pump can take it up. So the drain tile.
Do you have to? Mm-hmm. Did you drill a hole through the culvert and then put the blue pipe in it?
Yep.
Or no.
No. So the blue pipe, the high octane, is only wrapped around it.
Okay.
And then in the bottom of this, there's just a hole, like a rectangular hole drilled, so that the water can get in.
So you just got like a notch in it, and the water free flows in the bottom and fills from the bottom up.
So the Boffman high octane is acting as the filter for the rocks, so the rocks can't get into this basin.
Got it. It's a buffer.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
So water's going through the rocks, and then this perforated pipe right here keeps the stones out of the
stones out of the pit.
The pit.
Yep.
So the water just kind of filters all the way through and then fills these as the reservoir, and then the pump.
Yep.
And then it pumps up.
Pumps it up, and it'll recirculate. So
it's really a dry system. You don't have any maintenance of a pond. Or
no maintenance,
like
no chemicals, nothing.
No chemicals, no scum, no mosquitoes.
Especially mosquitoes, because they're bad out here. Yep.
Yeah. So yeah, it's just a big screened system. It's like a drain field.
Exactly. Yep.
Okay. So this is just acting as a barrier to keep the stones out of that.
Yep.
And it fills from the bottom up, you said?
Fills from the bottom up. Yep. The hole is in the bottom, and it works really well.
And then what is this? What kind of piping is this?
This pipe is 2-inch flexible PVC, and we have a cam lock down in the pit. So when winter comes, you can just unsnap them and pull the pump out.
And the hoses will stay.
The hoses will stay. They should all drain down.
Blow them out if you need to. The diffusers. So we got the one diffuser right down in here, right?
Yep.
And then we got the other one up here. And this This is a good shelf right through here, and you got the cascade.
Yep. So, and then up here we might like get a fake plant just to kind of drape over there, and it'll really hide that diffuser. And
like aquarium, like the fake plastic plants or something like that?
Yeah, but they're like really high quality.
Okay.
And you have to like go up to them and touch them to see it, to like make sure they're real.
And that will bring some green into the stone of the hardscape.
Yep.
Right?
Because we have a lot of hardscape, but we want to soften that with the driftwood that we have in plants and things.
And then the planter is where we hid the pipes at, right?
Yep. So right here, there's actually the pipes run under here. And we're gonna put dirt in here and make it a planter, so we'll have some hostas, just some nice plants over here.
Kind of fill this as like a little bed.
Yep, because the pipes run right under there.
And then they snake up through that way.
Yep, the pipes run right through here under these rocks, and they just go and feed the diffusers.
And then you can actually pop this.
And you can see the pipe. But so you have a little planting bed all the way around it. It'll look good.
And then we got to fill in all the little stones through here, right? To kind of get some smaller stones to fill in all the little pieces.
Yeah, so all of the little spots that you can see the liner, you'll just put little stones and it'll blend it in nice.
Can we steal some of your mom's?
Yeah, we can. Yep.
Yeah?
She won't know.
She won't know?
No.
Okay, perfect. Dude, I love.
Awesome. Is that going right in there?
Right in the middle.
Awesome. Yep. Ooh, that's a thick one too. You want?
Alright, slide that one underneath. Yep.
And we'd probably. Okay, so we've gotten a lot of progress done. So as you can see, we've got all the river rock in. And now we're starting to make little shelves down into this basin here.
You're using the crushed concrete as filler, right? So we don't have to use as much stone.
Yep. So the concrete's a filler, so we don't have to buy all this nice river rock that's really expensive. This crushed concrete is super cheap and it works great as a filler. So we're just piecing together the stones to see how they fit and how we like it.